Hello student. Today we are learning about important factor that is water. Water is the most abundant substance on our planet Earth. It covers about 3/4 of the Earth's surface. All living things need water to survive. We use it for various purposes like drinking, bathing, cleaning, etc. Water is present in all the three forms in nature as ice on mountain, as water in rivers, oceans, seas, lakes, etc. Water is also present as water vapor in air. Now we will see different states of water. We already know the three states of water, that is solid ice, liquid water and gaseous water vapor. These states can change from one form to another. The process of conversion of solid into liquid is called melting, whereas the process of conversion of liquid to solid is called freezing. Children, water can also be converted into steam by the process known as evaporation. Just opposite is the condensation, where the gas is converted into liquid. Children, boiling and evaporation differ from each other. Boiling is the fast conversion of liquid to gas, whereas evaporation is slow. In nature, water keeps on changing its form continuously through evaporation and condensation. The sun heats up the earth. This heat changes water in the river, seas, lakes, and ocean to water vapor. As the water vapor rise up, they cool and become tiny drops of water. These droplets collect around dust particles in air to form clouds. The tiny droplets of water in a cloud come together and join to form larger water drops. When clouds become full and heavy, these droplets fall on the ground as rain. The rainwater then fills up the water in the river, ocean, seas, etc. This process goes on continuously and is termed as water cycle. Children, water is very important for us. We must save water. Thank you, children.